Look, you guys, I finally received my Goli Energy Bites. From the last video, I stated that I was going to order them so that I can try them out. Well, they came in today and I am excited. I cannot wait to try them. Here they go, you guys, right here. Here are the Goli Energy Bites. I did order the 3-pack. For this set, they do sell them individually. You can get one. I chose to get 3, and it came today. And I am excited to try these. This will be my first time trying the Energy Bites, and I still want to also try the Calm Bites and the Multi Bites. So, like as I stated earlier as well, they do have Afterpay and Sezzle. So if you wanted to order the Goli Gummies pack, health pack, you can order that and you can pay through Sezzle or Afterpay. They'll break the payments up for you into 4 payments over the course of 6 weeks. So you can go on the website, check it out. Also use affiliate code L Douglas and you will get 25% off your first subscription order and for 15% for every reoccurring order. Okay, you guys, here go the Goli Bites. I've opened up 1 pack so that you guys can check them out. They are absolutely delicious. They taste just like candy. Here they go right here. They are absolutely, I want to eat. I want to sit here and eat them like they're candy, but I know I can't. It says for you to have no more than 5 per day. You can have up to 5 per day. So I just really wanted to get back on here and show you guys and tell you guys that they are absolutely delicious. So please check out the website goli.com/L Douglas affiliate, and remember, with the 10% discount you'll get if you use promo code L Douglas affiliate. Check them out, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.